Hello guys, Dylan here from Dylan Trin Studios, and I'm going to eat a Thai bird's eye chili. You see this? Yeah, this is from my parents bought this from the Asian supermarket, and look at the nice red color here. So, yeah, let's try it. That's hot. It burns. I need to wash my hands after this, but ooh. I think these have like 50,000 Scoville units. Whew. Whew. Oh god, that's spicy. It's hot, I would say. But, whew. It burns. It burns lasts really long. Whew. Okay. Whew. Yeah, you see? The Thai bird's eye. Whew. It has a nice fruity, almost like, I think, has a bit of nectarine taste to it in my opinion. But it burns lasts very long. It's been nearly like 2 or 3 minutes and it's still burning. Oh. Like I said, the burn lasts long. I think up to like more than 4 minutes, I'll say. It's still burning. I can feel it. Whew. Whew. I didn't have anything with me, but whew. Okay. Whew. Okay. I want to get something to cool this down, like yogurt or milk, but yeah, that's all guys. I'll see you in the next video or skit. And see you later, and remember to subscribe. Oh god, this is hot.